Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell themes using Oh-My-Posh. In this video, you'll learn how to transform your plain PowerShell terminal into a beautiful, modern command line interface with customizable themes and rich visual information. Oh-My-Posh is a prompt theme engine that works with any shell, including PowerShell. It transforms your terminal experience by replacing the default boring prompt with beautiful, customizable prompts that display rich information. Think of it as a makeover for your command line interface, making it both more attractive and more functional. Oh-My-Posh comes packed with incredible features. First, it offers over 200 pre-built themes that you can use instantly without any configuration. Second, it's fully customizable, allowing you to create your own unique prompt design. Third, it displays rich information like Git status, current time, directory path, and much more. Finally, it's cross-platform, meaning it works seamlessly on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Installing Oh-My-Posh is straightforward. The recommended method is using Winget, Windows Package Manager. Simply run Winget install jandadabalier.ohmyposh-s winget. Alternatively, you can use PowerShell's package manager by running install-module oh-my-posh-scope current user. Choose whichever method you're most comfortable with. To get the complete Oh-My-Posh experience with all the special icons and glyphs, you need to install Nerd fonts. These are specially patched fonts that include thousands of additional symbols and icons. Installing them is simple. Just run the command oh-my-posh font install. This will guide you through selecting and installing the font you want to use in your terminal. Now let's apply a theme to your PowerShell. First, you need to edit your PowerShell profile by running Notepad $profile. This opens your profile configuration file. Then, add this line to the file, oh-my-posh init pwsh-config, followed by $posh_themes_path /jandadabalier.omp.json, pipe invoke-expression. Save the file, restart PowerShell, and you'll see your new theme in action. Oh-My-Posh makes it easy to explore all available themes. Simply run the command get-posh themes. This displays an interactive preview of every theme in your terminal, showing you exactly how each one looks with your current directory and Git status. You can scroll through them and find the perfect theme that matches your style. Let's look at some popular themes you might want to try. Jandadabalier is the default elegant theme with balanced information display. Paradox offers a minimalist dark theme perfect for distraction-free work. PowerLevel 10K Rainbow is colorful and information-rich. Atomic provides a clean and modern look. Agnoster is a classic design loved by many developers, and Spaceship brings an astronaut-inspired aesthetic to your terminal. Each has its own unique style and information layout. If you want to go beyond pre-built themes, Oh-My-Posh allows full customization. Themes are simply JSON files that you can modify to create your perfect prompt. To start customizing, export a theme using oh-my-posh config export-output ~mitheme.omp.json. Then edit this JSON file to adjust colors, segments, and information displayed. Finally, use your custom theme by running oh-my-posh init pwsh-config ~mitheme.omp.json pipe ex. Congratulations! You now know how to transform your PowerShell terminal with Oh-My-Posh themes. You can customize your prompt, choose from hundreds of beautiful themes, and enjoy a terminal experience with rich information display. Experiment with different themes, create your own custom designs, and make your command line truly yours. Happy customizing!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.